All right, let's talk modern payments. If you're selling online, this is something you need to see.
So there's a huge shakeup happening in UK payments that's going to affect tons of businesses.
Okay, here's the deal. Barclays ePDQ is shutting down on March 31st, 2026. Time to move.
But, this is bigger than just one service. It's a chance to fix your whole checkout.
Because honestly, the bigger issue is this. A crazy 70% of all shopping carts just get abandoned.
And want to know why? It usually comes down to slow, clunky checkouts nobody trusts.
Well, a new partnership is here to solve exactly these problems for businesses like yours.
It's Worldpay's powerful engine, combined with JustPayFor's super simple platform. Let's break it down.
So back to that 70% number. That's real money you're losing, all thanks to a bad checkout. The fix? A smooth, mobile-friendly checkout with options everyone knows like Apple Pay and Google Pay. And get this, merchants who do this see up to 30% fewer abandoned carts. Huge difference.
All right, next big problem, fraud. It's a constant headache and it really hurts customer trust.
Here, you get Worldpay's top-notch security. We're talking bank-grade tech with a 98% prevention rate. And it's not just about stopping fraud. Great security builds trust, and that keeps customers coming back.
But what if you don't have a big online store? Maybe you're a freelancer. Old systems weren't for you.
That's where JustPayFor comes in. Create a secure pay link or QR code in seconds. No website needed.
You can pop these links anywhere, an email, a WhatsApp message, a social media DM, sell everywhere.
Okay, so how easy is this to actually set up? Let's walk through the steps.
It's literally just 5 simple steps. Seriously, you can be up and running in just a few minutes.
So what's the bottom line? You're getting top-tier payments without the crazy costs or the tech nightmares.
So you've got to ask yourself, is your checkout actually an asset, or is it just holding you back?
JustPayFor.com